Ever heard an otter giggle? It's like nature's version of a squeaky toy, and it's adorable. Otters don't just look like floating teddy bears, they act like them too. They hold hands when they sleep so they don't float apart. I mean, come on. And their sounds? Yeah, that's real. They squeak, chirp, and coo when they're excited or asking for food, like furry little toddlers with fins. But here's the wild part. Some otters actually like hanging out with humans. There are rescued otters in sanctuaries that play fetch, cuddle, and even give high fives. They're super smart, too. Otters use tools like rocks to crack open shellfish. Basically, the MacGyvers of the animal kingdom, but fluffier. And when they're not being geniuses or cuddle monsters, they're sliding down muddy hills just for fun. Otters are living their best lives. So yeah, otters, adorable, clever, and probably better at making friends than most of us. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe to boost your knowledge about the beautiful animal world. Every day,